The Sword of Pendragon, Episode 4. Miranda and Will are tired and hungry.
Look, there's a woman with long black hair in that house.
Go and ask for some food, Will. I want to look at the map.
Excuse me, have you got any food, please?
Yes, I have. Please, come in and eat.
Thank you. She's very beautiful.
Later.
Where is Will? Oh no! I can see the woman in the mirror. But she's old. Don't eat that food, Will.
Who are you?
I am Princess Miranda. And you aren't young and beautiful. You're...
A witch!
No! Stop, Princess!
Then help us.
Help us to find the Sword of Pendragon.
Come with me! There is strong magic at Stonehenge. Moon and sun, night and day, send these children far away. Now, you are at the Sword of Pendragon, Miranda. And you are in terrible, terrible danger.